Hi, and we're live. Claire Yosa here. I just want to let you know about a 90-minute workshop I'm running on Tuesday morning at 10 a.m. UK time. It would normally be a paid workshop. This is not one of those webinars where it's like 2 minutes of content and loads of pitch and spiel. This is a teaching session for 90 minutes all about the resilience myth. So one of the things that's happening for us right now is the world is changing so quickly. So many of us are struggling with stress and worry and fear and anxiety. And resilience is what we all really need. But I want to talk to you about the resilience myth and how actually so many of us are getting resilience wrong. And we're misunderstanding what it really means and how that can actually lead to mental health issues, and it can weaken your immune system, which right now is really not a good idea. I'm going to teach you 3 techniques that you can do in under 60 seconds to become more naturally resilient, to gently and naturally bounce back no matter what life is throwing at you right now. And we're going to talk about the resilience antidote, why positive thinking is not the right answer, and what you can be doing instead. So if you are feeling stressed, worried, anxious, if you've got the kids at home and you're still trying to work, if you're wondering whether there'll be food in the supermarket, if you're worried about what's going on with coronavirus, and you feel hungry to be able to reconnect with that sense of inner calm, to be able to ride those waves instead of feeling like you're drowning under the tsunami, join us. It's 10 o'clock Tuesday morning, the 24th of March. To grab your seat, it's my gift to you instead of the usual £97 workshop fee at claireyosa.com/resilience myth. The link will be in the description to this video, claireyosa.com/resilience myth. And if you know anybody else who would like to join us, who would love this, who would find it useful, it's going to be live, it's going to be interactive. Please share the link with them too. I can't wait to share this with you tomorrow morning.